Get started with your Vicks No-Touch 3-in-1 thermometer with a few simple steps. For best accuracy, let the thermometer and individual being measured acclimate to the room temperature for 30 minutes before using the thermometer. Start by pressing the power button to turn it on. The thermometer will beep once and flash green. When 4 dashes appear on the LCD screen, the thermometer is ready for a measurement. Hold the thermometer steady and make sure that any hair, dirt, or sweat is removed from the forehead before taking a temperature. Once the forehead is clear, position the thermometer up to 2 inches away from the center of the forehead, just between the eyebrows. Press the power button to begin the measurement, which can be made in under 2 seconds. Once a temperature has been taken, the reading will be shown on the thermometer's display, along with a green, yellow, or red color from the Fever Insight feature. The thermometer will sound 1 long beep for a normal temperature and 4 double beeps when it reads a temperature at or over 99.5 degrees. When you're finished, the thermometer will automatically power down after 20 seconds without use. That's all there is to it. Experience fast and simple temperature readings with your easy-to-use Vicks No-Touch 3-in-1 thermometer. For more information, visit VicksThermometers.com.